Hello everyone, in this video I will present my Week 8 Android assessment. This is a simple calculator app made in Android Studio with Java. In this project, I used two input boxes, four buttons, and one result area. Now I will first show the project structure. Now I will show the XM file. This file is activity main. It defines the user interface of app. Here I use one title task, two input boxes, four buttons, and one result task. The first input box is input first number. The second input box is input second number. And the four buttons are button plus, button minus, button multiply, and button divide. The result area is text result. So this XML file builds the layout of my calculator app. Next, I will show the Java file, main activity Java. This file controls the logic of the app. In onCreate, I connect the layout with the Java code by using set content view. Then I use find view by ID to connect all views, such as two input boxes, the buttons, and the result tag. After that, I add click event for four buttons. When the user clicks a button, the app calls the calculate method. Inside the calculator method, the program reads two numbers from the input boxes. If one box is empty, it shows a message asking the user to enter both numbers. Then it changes the text to numbers and does the math operation. I use a switch statement for plus, minus, multiply, and divide. For division, I also check divide by 0. If the second number is 0, the app shows an error message. At the end, the result is shown on the screen. This app meets the task requirement. It is an Android app made in Android Studio. It uses Java. It has two numbers input boxes, four operation buttons, and one result display area. It also uses clear IDs for the UI components. Now I will run the app and show how it works. You can see in the right area of my screen. First, I enter 14 in the first box, 18, and 17 in the second box. Now I press the plus button. We can see the result is 31. So the addition works correctly. Next, I press the minus button. The result is minus 3. So subtraction also works correctly. Now I press the multiply button. We can see the result is 238. So multiplication works correctly too. And I press the divide button. The result is 0.8235. So division works correctly. I will also show one error case. If I enter 0 as the second number and press divided, The app shows the message cannot divide by 0. This means the app can handle this case safely. To conclude, this is my simple calculator app for week 8. It can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It has a clear layout, simple logic, and correct output. Thank you for watching.